For decades, simulation has relied on projectors, complex systems that require constant calibration, maintenance, and downtime. But what if you could eliminate all of that? AMAZE, the Amorphic Appearance Zero Projector Environment. A completely reimagined visual display system for training, simulation, and immersive experiences. Instead of projectors, AMAZE uses high-performance LED panels, forming a seamless wraparound display. The result? A fully immersive environment with unmatched clarity, up to 2 times brighter with higher contrast. No shutdowns, no recalibration. Replace components in minutes, even during training. Lower lifecycle costs, reduced system complexity. More time focused on training, not maintenance. From fighter pilot training to commercial applications, AMAZE scales to any mission or adventure. The future of simulation isn't an upgrade. It's a complete reset.